Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, November 13th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Aussie US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. But don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you would like to get access to my swing trade setups, my daily members only Zoom meetings, and my 34 video trading course, all included for only $30 per month. So the Aussie dollar's been continuing down pretty hard. I mean, I do have this up line right here because it could bounce from a fib level and continue up like that. But more than likely, this is probably in a wave Y right now. This is the A of Y, and this is going to go down and make a B of Y, making a new low, and then eventually go up and make the wave C of wave Y. So let's take a look at it on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I think this is all part of that wave X, like I was showing for the WXY, like I showed on the monthly time frame. I'm definitely watching my Fibonacci levels very closely just in case, but I think this is probably more likely going to go down, probably something like that, probably take out most of these lows before it actually does end up continuing the uptrend. Taking it down to the daily time frame. Now we have a kind of a little bit of couple options going on right here. I mean, this definitely could be a wave 5, and if it is a wave 5, then potentially it would go up and make a crutch into this whole move down. Looking at some of the other dollar pairs, though, I mean, we do suspect that it could be a wave 1, a wave 2, and a wave 3. If it is a wave 3, then this thing is just going to keep on making lower lows, lower highs to form that downtrend pattern that I showed on the weekly time frame. Heading down to the 4 hour time frame. So yesterday I was saying that if price goes below the 78%, then most likely it will go down and at least make a new low or at least a double bottom. Didn't quite get there yet, but it still looks like it wants to try to go down a little bit more. We have CPI inflation data coming out today, so it does seem like a good time for a big move. Now, if it goes up and breaks structure, that doesn't necessarily mean trend reversal. That just means that this last wave down is over. It possibly could make an ABC crutch into the last move down over the next couple of days and then continue the downtrend later on. So we do have to be very careful. Like I said, this could be a wave 3. If it is a wave 3, it definitely could break up, but then it could just make a crutch into the downtrend. If this really is a wave 5, then it would probably break up, and instead of making corrective patterns, overlapping patterns, it would probably make a very impulsive pattern for the wave A of wave B. So hopefully we can tell the difference. Taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, the trend is definitely still down. If it breaks this structure right here, that tells me the trend is over. Or if it goes down and makes a new low and then goes up and breaks this structure, that will tell me the trend is over. But like I was just explaining, a breaker structure doesn't mean trend reversal. A breaker structure could just mean that it's making a crutch into the last impulse and move down, the last series of lower lows, lower highs. So when and if it does break structure, it's either going to make a crutch into this move down and then continue the downtrend in a few days, or it's going to make very impulsive movements to the upside, telling us that it's in a wave A of wave B. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.